What is going on, everyone? It's Joe Yoon, aka Joe Therapy, with another massage gun review, hitting up the Fusion X Deep Percussion Massager today. So let's get it started, but really quickly, if you're not familiar with these, I have not opened this yet. I'm going to give you my first impressions, a little bit of an unboxing, and then I'm going to rate it at the end of the video. And I'm going to try to do as many massage gun reviews as possible. I purchased this one off of Amazon. If I get one from a company complimentary, I'll let you know beforehand, but these are all going to be honest reviews. And then I'm finally going to rate them at the end and see which one rises to the top, because a lot of these are very similar, and I want to see if there's any massage guns out there that are a little bit different that makes it just a little bit better. So let's get it started off with the price, because that's usually a very popular question. This one right here is $139.99 on Amazon at the time of this video. And there's a coupon for $35 off. So it will range around $105 if you don't have free shipping, but if you have Prime, it should be around $105 for this massage gun. And let's get started. Let's open it up. Again, I've never opened this before, and I do not know what it looks like or feels like other than what it looks like on the box. This one's interesting. It says it has 6 attachments and 20 speed levels, which I have never seen before. But here's the case. Has kind of a vinyl feeling to it. And let's open it up. It looks like a Hypervolt from the picture, or Hypervolt clone. This is what it looks like. And I am correct, it looks pretty much exactly like a Hypervolt silhouette of the original unit. So let's go over what it looks like. Here we go. We'll do a little bit of a spin. This is the touch screen. This one has a touch screen. The top and bottom on switch, also charging ports. And then we have the attachments. So let's go over the attachments. There are 6 attachments. We got the round one, which is a standard. We have the flat one with a little bit of bumps on it, a little bit of a rubber feeling on that one. We have the bullet, feels more plastic-like. We have the fork, feels like plastic. And those are the 4 usual suspects that come with massage guns. And let's go over to the ones that are a little bit unique for this one. We have like a 4-prong one. And then we have this one, which I have no clue what. It looks like the Foreman grill scraper to get all the crap off of your Foreman grill. So we have that one. And then it has a charger. But let's put some of these back in, and let's just use the round one for the demo today. I'm gonna put that away. And let's go into the speeds. The speed's pretty interesting here because it has up to 20 level adjustments, which the typical massage gun now has 3 to 5 around there on average. So let's turn this on just like a Hypervolt. We turn it on from the bottom. We have the green light that shows you if you are charged up, or if it's getting low, it'll probably start turning orange and red. And let's get it started over here. You'll also hear the sound of the massage gun. It says it's about 45 decibels. I will confirm that with my decibel reader at home, but let's get this started up. So let's turn, there we go. So this is one, and I'm just gonna really just ramp, kind of just go through this super quick, because it's 20 different levels. 2, 3, 4, okay, that's 5, 9, that is 10, that's 15, and that's 20. Any more? So 20 levels on that. And it's pretty interesting. It's very small increments. So I don't know if that's going to be a plus or a pro or a con, because if you just had 5, you could just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're good. And this one, to go from 1 to 20, is there that much of a difference between each one? I'm not really sure. I don't think so. So it might actually be more of an inconvenience than it is of a pro here. So that is that, 20 speeds here. Also, you heard it around 45 decibels. I'm going to reconfirm that. And then the amplitude, so how far back and forth this goes, very standard, 12 millimeters. A lot of these usually range from 10, 12, 13. Things like a Theragun are around 16 millimeters. And again, this is the depth, how deep it goes into the muscle. And you know what, that's pretty much it. And that's what it looks like. You know, again, bare bones review, just straight to the point. I'm gonna use it on myself now. I'm gonna work on the chest, the arms, the legs, let you know how you feel, and then I'll do a final rating. So let's stand up and let's put it on, like the 5th one. 1 is pretty slow. So let's use it on the quad. And like I've said in previous videos, I haven't met a massage gun that does not feel great. So, I mean, this one, of course, feels good. Let's go through the chest. While we're here, the weight of it, you know, I haven't looked at it. If I had to guess, 2.2, 2.5 pounds, but I will put that on the screen as well. Let's bump it up. Let's go up to 10. So it's kind of annoying if you just want to go from a little bit of a slower pace to a faster pace. It's like you got to tap it so many times. Like that's the difference between one setting. It's so little. So it feels good. Massage guns always feel good. And let's go into the final ranking. Just from the look of it, not very unique. From the speeds, 20 speeds is good, but I think it's a little overkill. It seems more like a gimmick. You don't really need 20 speeds in my opinion. And yeah, there's nothing really special about it. Nothing really wows me about this. So the ranking is going to be the rating for this massage gun, the Fusion X Deep Percussion Massager, is like 6.1. I mean, it's like average, it's good, it gets the job done, the price is really good, but there's just nothing special about it. So 6.1 on the Fusion X massage gun. Let me know if you have this. Let me know if you agree with me or disagree with me. And then let me know what massage guns you want to see in the future. And then also if you want to know anything else in these reviews. Again, this is the 2nd one I've done, so just playing around with the style of it. So if you want to see anything else in the video, I will do that in future videos. But I will catch you guys next time.